My name is Jerry, and I'm from the team AmalaJẹun in the Amala Hackathon 2025. Growing up in Nigeria, one challenge we all share is discovering authentic local food spots, especially Amala. Unlike fast food chains, Amala joints are usually small, hidden, and only known by word of mouth. We wanted to create a living digital map of these food spots so anyone, locals, or visitors can easily find them. AmalaJẹun is a crowdsourced map for Amala spots. Users simply drop a pin on the map where Amala shop exists. An AI assistant then chats with them and collects structured information like shop name, address, opening hours, typical meal price. Once confirmed, the info is stored in our backend and instantly updates the map. In short, we are turning scattered word of mouth recommendations into searchable food map. So I'll be walking us through AmalaJẹun and how it works. First off, you come to here to explore the map and see spots near you. So how it works is we have an autonomous Amala spots discovery system that adds a new Amala spots every day. And then users are also allowed to add an Amala spots. So far they are logged in. So you have already logged in here. All you just have to do as a user, you come here, you click on any of the Amala spots, and then you're able to see highlighted information about an Amala spots. We added filters to make things easier for the users in discovering Amala spots. And then we also added a grid view for better user experience for users to see Amala spots and then also search. We also implemented an AI chatbot that allows the users to talk with an AI about Amala spots. So users can ask things like, tell me of Amala spots in Lekki, and the AI responds with the data. So it has given me the list of Amala spots in Lekki, and then this makes things easier for the users. So if I was to add an Amala spots, you just place a pin on the map and then you click on confirm. Users are also allowed to search for locations. So let me say Union Bank Estates. Union Bank Estates. Okay. And then the map moves to that location. So then place a pin here and then I'll add an Amala spots with our AI agents. So it's asking me for the name. Let's just call it Mama Favor. Yeah, for testing. Asking us for an address or a location close by. So I'll just paste the address. Now it's asking me for the time that this store opens. So I'll just say 8 a.m. And then it's asking me for what it closes. So I'll just say 3 p.m. Then it's asking me for the typical price meal. So I'll say 4,000 for a meal probably. And then it's asking me if people can dine in at that place. So I'll say yes. So it's asking me to confirm these details and then I'll confirm by saying yes. And then you can see that the spot has been added successfully. So when we close this, we can already see the spots here. So our for our verification layer, what we did is a community based verification such that users are able to verify a spot. But how we did it is in a way that once we have three people and above who have clicked on verify, then we recognize the spot as verified. But the user who added a spot cannot verify the spot. So if I click here, you can see telling me you cannot verify a spot. But I can leave reviews, I can add images. So if I want to leave a review, just write a review, 4 stars, say good stuff, and then I'll submit my review. You can see my review has been submitted. And then if I wanted to add images, I can always click here and then upload an image. So I'll just upload an image here for testing. Yeah, just click on this and then to load up, and the image will be uploaded for other users to see. We use Cloudinary for this. So yeah, that is basically how it works.